Assalamu alaikum dear students. Let's continue this lesson Papaji's Math, which is written by Arundhati Roy. Through this lesson the author is going to highlight the important issues that plague our society. Plague means wo yus science society khatra badnuma daag hai. She has also raised the issues of domestic violence through this lesson, which is done by the men over women. In this lesson the two important characters are Papaji and Mamaji. Mamaji had started making pickles commercially soon after Papaji retired from the government service in Delhi and came to live in Eminem. Mamaji started a small business of making pickles after the retirement of her husband, and after his retirement they came to live in Eminem. Eminem is the place which is in Kerala. The Kottayam Bible Society was having a fair and asked Mamaji to make some of her famous banana jam and tender mango pickle. And a festival which was being organized by this society, Kottayam Bible Society, that is why Mamaji was asked to make some of her famous banana jam and tender mango pickle. It sold quickly. It had a good market and a small business which was run by her. It flourished at a large scale that she did not expect. And Mamaji found that she had more orders than she could cope with. Mamaji received more and more orders, and it became difficult for her to deal with this situation. Thrilled with her success, she decided to persist with the pickles and jam, and soon found herself busy all year around. She was thrilled with her success. She was happy with her success that she got in her small business. That is why she decided to continue her small business. Papaji, for his part, was having a trouble coping with the ignominy of retirement. Ignominy means humiliation. He was facing the humiliation of his retirement on one side. On another side, he was jealous. He was envious of her beauty and youth of her wife. He was 17 years older than Mamaji and realized with a shock that he was an old man when his wife was still in her prime. There is a gap of 17 years between Papaji and Mamaji, and Papaji was 17 years older than Mamaji. He was and realized with a shock. He understood with a shock, and it was a shock for him that he was an old man and his wife was in her youth. Though Mamaji had a conical corneas and was already practically blind. Conical corneas means it is a disease, eye disease, and it is because of this disease she was completely blind. Who? Mamaji, because of this severe disease. Papaji would not help her with this pickle making. Papaji would not help and support his wife in pickle making. Why? Because he did not consider pickle making a suitable job for a high-ranking ex-government official. He was retired that post pet. Timsat was a director. He was on the post of a director when he retired from that post, and that is why he did not like her menial job and the business which was run by her wife, and he thought it the below of his dignity. He was samjha pannis shanas khilaf. He had always been a jealous man. He was a jealous man. This is a feature which is related with his character, jealous. So he greatly resented the attention his wife was suddenly getting. He searched around the compound in his immaculately tailored suit. He walked around. He moved around the compounds. He moved around the mounds of red chilies and freshly powdered yellow turmeric chonas leather. Mounds of red chilies means get heap of red chilies. Mounds of red chilies. And he was moving around the red chilies. Who was moving? Papaji. Watching Mamaji. He was watching, he observed what Mamaji was doing. The buying, the weighing, the salting and drying of limes of tender mangoes. And everything was observed by Papaji, what she was doing. Every night he beats her with a flower vase. This is the domestic violence which is being raised by the author through this lesson. How Mamaji is being treated by Papaji. She is being treated cruelly, and she was beaten mercilessly. She was beaten ruthlessly by her husband with a brass flower vase. Brass flower vase was metal. It was made of metal by which he was going to beat his wife. The beatings were not new. That means the beatings were happened usually. And what was new? Then the new which was, we can say, in beatings, it was frequency. One night Papaji broke the bow of Mamaji's violence and threw it in the river. Dear students, Mamaji had a great talent in concerts, music. That is why she had kept this thing. But this thing was, the bow of the Mamaji's violin is also broken by Papaji and thrown it into the river. It purro emesim imukis bow chasa imsati bajavna shemai violin. That is called bow. Then Checo came home for summer vacation from Oxford. Checo Sus, he was the son of Papaji. He came home for summer vacations from Oxford University after a long time. He had grown big. He had grown to be a big man and was, in those days, strong from rowing for Bilial. And he looked quite different when he reached home. He looked a big man. He looked strong. It is because of rowing for Bilial. Rowing means rafting. So rafting is karam, rafting se this gasanyi. That is why he looked strong. Who looked strong? Checo. A week after he arrived. He arrived after a week. And he reached home after a week when he found Papaji beating Mamaji in the study. Yuthu ye garvot imushipan smolus yus imsis majlaya. Where? In the study means in the room. It is because of love and affection. That is why he wanted to stop from him doing so. He wanted to stop his father from doing so. Checo strode into the room. Strode means the big steps. How he came into the room. A big step. Strode means a big kadam travan. The room was saw. Where Papaji was beating Mamaji. And caught Papaji's vase hand. Vase hand means the flower vase which was in his hands, by which he was beating his wife. And he was caught by his son. He was stopped by his son from doing so, and twisted it around his back, and his hands were twisted around his back by his son. I never want this to happen again, he told his father ever. Means his son warned him from doing so. His son warned him that he should not do such a thing in future. Dear students, Mamaji, Papaji, I'm just a character. तो ये कित पे मिस ट्रीट करा मिस मामा चीज कुछ पापा जी तो इम सिंद रिटायरमेंट पत करिम पन्नन जंगन पे खड़ा गसनच कोशिश. दैट इज व्हाई शी स्टार्टेड अ स्मॉल बिजनेस. तो यस स्मॉल बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर ये क्या बनावा व्हाट शी वाज मेकिंग अकस बनावा ये पिकल्स बनाना जैम एंड तदिस फेस्टिवल was organized Kotim Bible Society, تِمن اوس سُہ تہوار سُہ فیسٹِول سُے اوس وجہ کہِ أمِس مِلیو آرڈر ژٕ بناو سا یہِ فیمس بنانا جیم تہٕ ٹینڈر مینگو ییٚمہِ سۭتۍ گٔے أمۍ سٕنٛز یہِ سُمال بِزنس ٲس سُہ گٔے فلورِش سُہ بڑے سُہ گٔے اپ أمِس مِلے واریاہ آرڈر مگر یوٗتاہ گوٚو أمِس مِلے آرڈر کہِ أمِس گوٚو ڈیٖل کرُن اتھ سۭتۍ مُشکِل مگر یہِ ٲس واریاہ خۄش اتھ پننِس یُس یہِ پننِس اتھ کامیٲبی پٮ۪ٹھ یُس أمِس مِلے اتھ لۄکچہِ اتھ سُمال بِزنس أمۍ سٹاٹ کرے تہٕ یہِ ٲس ؤری کِس روزان انگیج یُس یہِ پاپا جی اوس what he was facing the ignominy of retirement ونان أسۍ humiliation dishonor تہٕ بیٚکہِ سایڈٕ اوس یہِ jealous أمۍ سٕنٛز growing popularity پٮ۪ٹھ یُس أمِس گٔے حٲصِل کتھ منٛز پننہِ اتھ لۄکچہِ بِزنس منٛز بیٚیہِ اوس أمِس یہِ jealous أمۍ سٕنٛز بیوٹی پٮ۪ٹھ تہِ تہٕ أمۍ سٕنٛدِس یوٗتھس پٮ۪ٹھ تہِ یُس یہِ جوان ٲس یُس ماما جی ٲس أمِس ٲس اکھ پرابلم اکھ أمِس ٲس أچھن ہٕنٛز پرابلم سُہ ڈِزیٖز ییٚمہِ سۭتۍ یہِ بِلکُل کمپلیٖٹلی ٲس بلایِنڈ یہِ پاپا جی اوس نہٕ أمِس کانٛہہ تہِ مدد کران یہِ آنچار بناونس منٛز یُس أمۍ لۄکٕٹ بِزنس کرے سٹاٹ وجہ اوس یہِ کہِ یہِ اوس نہٕ أمِس توے مدد کران یہِ اوس سمجھان کہِ یہِ چھُ میٲنِس شانس خِلاف یُس یہِ بِزنس چلاوان اوس کیازِ یہِ اوس رِٹیر گوٚمُت کتھ پوسٹس پٮ۪ٹھ ڈایریکٹر سٕنٛدِس پوسٹس پٮ۪ٹھ کتھ یہِ ہسا یہِ انسٹِچوٗٹ سُہ اوس پوشا انسٹِچوٗٹس منٛز تتہِ اوس یہِ امپیٖریل اینٹومالجسٹ اوس یہِ مگر ایز اے اوس یہِ ڈایریکٹر تتھ منٛز تہٕ گوٚو یہِ ایز اے ڈایریکٹر رِٹیر توے اوس یہِ باسان أمِس پننِس شانس خِلاف یُس یہِ أمۍ سٕنٛز یہِ زنان ٲس چلاوان سُہ بِزنس لۄکٕٹ مۄکٕٹ بِزنس تہٕ سُہ گٔے فلورِش بٔڑِس پایمانس سۄ ٲس خۄش سۄ ٲس سیٹٕسفاے مگر یہِ اوس جیلس یہِ اوس نہٕ یژھان أمۍ سٕنٛز یہِ مطلب یہِ چیٖز یہِ پننٮ۪ن زنٛگن پٮ۪ٹھ تہِ کھڑا گژھُن تہٕ یُس یِم چیٖز یِم یوٗز ٲسۍ کران بناونس منٛز تِم چِلیٖز ریڈ چِلیٖز ٲسۍ فرٛش پوڈٕڈ یلو ٹٔرمرِک گٔے لیدٕر اتہِ ٲس مرژٕوانٛگن ہُنٛد ڈیر اکھ اتھ کمپاونڈس منٛز أتھۍ أنٛدۍ أنٛدۍ اوس یہِ نژان پاپا جی یہِ اوس اوبزرو کران یہِ اوس واچ کران أمِس یہِ کیاہ چھُ کران پرٛٮ۪تھ دۄہ اوس أمِس یہِ کمہِ سۭتۍ لایان یِم براس فٕلاور واس یِہے گٔے ڈومیسٹِک وایلنس یُس ریز کٔر رایٹرن تھروٗ دِس لیسن کہِ کِتھ پٲٹھۍ چھُ أکِس زنہِ سۭتۍ گژھان اتیاچار دپان یہِ نسا چیٖز نسا اوس نہٕ نوٚو کینٛہہ یہِ یُس یہِ لایان اوس أمِس مگر اتھ منٛز یُس نوٚو چیٖز ٲس فرٛیکوینسی دیٹ واز د نیو تھِنٛگ بیٚیہِ یُس یہِ ماما جی ٲس أمِس اوس سۄ ٲس ٹیلنٹڈ کتھ منٛز میوٗزکس منٛز توے اوس تھوٚمُت تٔمۍ سُہ وایلن بجاونہٕ خٲطرٕ چھُ آسان سُہ بوٚو یُس سُہ بوٚو اوس سُہ پھُٹرو أمۍ دیٹ واز بروکن باے پاپا جی اینڈ اٹ واز تھرون اِن ٹو د رِور سُہ لگوو أمۍ دٔریاوس منٛز دٔرِتھ پتہٕ یُس یہِ چیکو اوس أمِس نیٚچوٗ أمِس ٲسۍ زٕ نیٚچے أکِس اوس امونا بیٚکِس چیکو یہِ اوس آمُت چھُٹی گُزارنہِ گرمی ہٕنٛز چھُٹی گُزارنہِ آکسفٲرڈ یونیورسٹی پٮ۪ٹھ مگر یہِ اوس آمُت واریاہ وقتہٕ پٮ۪ٹھ یہِ اوس أمۍ سٕنٛز شیپ گٔمٕژ واریاہ چینج یہِ اوس گوٚمُت واریاہ بوٚڑ بیٚیہِ اوس یہِ سٹرانٛگ تہِ باسان فِزِکٔلی اکہِ ہفتہٕ پتہٕ ییٚلہِ یہِ گرٕ ووت أمۍ وُچھ کُس وُچھُن پنُن یہِ مول أمۍ سٕنٛز ماجہِ سُہ اوس أمِس لایان سُہ اوس أمِس سۭتۍ یہِ ظُلم کران أمۍ ہیوٚک نہٕ یہِ سٔہِتھ کینٛہہ أمۍ ہیوٚک نہٕ یہِ برداشت کٔرِتھ کینٛہہ یکدم ژاو یہِ اتھ روٗمس منٛز أمۍ کوٚر یہِ رُکو یہِ أمۍ نِش أمِس لایِن نِش أمِس یُس یہِ اتھس منٛز اوس سُہ کیاہ اوس وٹ واز اِن ہِز ہینڈس اے براس فٕلاور واس ییٚمہِ سۭتۍ أمِس یہِ لایان اوس تہٕ سُہ ہیوٚتُن أمِس اتھٕ تہٕ أمِس پھِرن نرِ زٕ پتھ کُن پننِس مٲلِس تہٕ بیٚیہِ کوٚرُن أمۍ وارنِنٛگ دِژنس نِم یوکُن چھُس نہٕ بہٕ یژھان یُتھ چیٖز کیاہ کرکھ ژٕ میانہِ ماجہِ سۭتۍ یہِ کیاہ ووٚنُس یہِ ووٚنُس پننہِ نِچے اٹ از بِکاز آف لو اینڈ افیکشن دیٹ د چیکو ہیڈ فار ہِز mother. That is why Papaji was stopped from doing so by his son. Thank you.